are going to learn flowers and its parts, uses of flowers. Okay, let's start. So, flowers that we see in different size, shape, and color, right? All flowers are same in size. All flowers are same in size. Does all
No,
flowers?
no, sir.
No.
No, sir. They are different in size.
So, do all flowers are same in color?
No, sir. No, sir. No. There is different colors.
Yes. All flowers are same in shape? Same
No.
shape? No, right?
No.
So, flowers,
No, sir.
right? Very good, very good. So flowers that we see are in different size, shape, and color. Okay, flowers which we are see. So it will different size. So some of the flowers are very big, some of the flowers are small, and shape. So the rose flower is different shape, jasmine flower is different shape. So all flowers which we see, it will be different size, shape, and color. Different size, shape, and color. See, if you observe, there are different parts in flower. Okay, so the colorful parts of a flower are called petals. The flower colorful parts of a flower are called petals. So which color? See, if you observe the picture, so which color the flower is? Which
Violet. Pink.
violet, right? Mostly it is pink. Yeah. Shivateja, please mute yourself. Yeah. So violet color. The colorful parts of a flower are called petals. So which color it is? Violet. So these violet colored parts, the violet colored parts are called petals. The colorful parts of a flower are called petal. So if you observe any rose, so rose is in red or pink in color, right? So the colorful, the red or pink in color parts are called petals. Okay, the colorful parts of a flower are called petals. Okay, see here, these are the petals. Violet color parts. Violet colored parts are called petals. Okay, see the small green color parts at the bottom of flower is called sepals. See here, at the bottom of the flower, there are green colored parts, right? The small green colored parts at the bottom of the flower are called sepals. Okay, the colorful parts of the flowers are called petals, and the small green color parts at the bottom of the flower are called sepals. చూడండి ఇక్కడ కింద గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో ఉన్నాయి ఫ్లవర్ కింద, right? Green colored
Yes, sir.
parts are called sepals. So the colorful parts of the flower are called petals. P-E-T-A-L. Petals. Okay, and the small green colored parts at the bottom of the flower is called sepals. S-E-P-A-L. Sepal. Okay, colorful parts petals, green color small green color parts petal, sepals. Okay, initially a flower appears as a bird అంటే తెలుసా? మొగ్గ. Bird.
Yes, sir.
Bird ante mogga. So if you observe the picture, there is a small bird, right? So initially అంటే first ఏముంటది? A flower appears as a bird. ఎలా కనబడుతుంది? As a bird, mogga, in which the petals are closely packed together, surrounded by sepal. So if you observe, so we cannot able to see total colorful part, right? The total colorful parts are called petals, right? So we cannot able to see petals properly now because the petals are covered by sepals. The petals are covered by petals. Sorry, sepals. The petals are covered by sepals. Sepals అంటే the small green colored parts, right? At the bottom of the flower, the small green colored parts are called sepals. So initially the flowers appear as a bird. When it is a bird, the petals are covered by sepals. అంటే ఆ మొగ్గని ఆ ఫ్లవర్ ని రక్షించడానికి సెపల్స్ అనేటివి కవర్ చేస్తాయి. ఓకేనా, అవి పాడు కాకుండా ఫ్లవర్ పడిపోకుండా కింద పడిపోకుండా ఆ సెపల్స్ అనేవి ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తాయి. ఓకేనా, ద గ్రీన్ స్మాల్ గ్రీన్ కలర్డ్ పార్ట్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ సెపల్ అండ్ సెపల్స్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ ద petals when it is as a bird, when it is as a bird అంటే మొగ్గగా ఉన్నప్పుడు అవి సెట్ చేస్తాయి. ఓకేనా? ద బర్డ్ గ్రో యాజ్ ద బర్డ్ గ్రో ఇన్ సైజ్ ద పెటల్స్ ఓపెన్ బికమ్ ఏ ఫ్లవర్. అంటే ఆ బర్డ్ రోజు రోజుకి పెరుగుతుంది కదా, ఫ్లవర్ లెక్క అవుతుంది కదా, అలా అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, పెటల్స్ అనేటి పెద్దగా అయ్యి
not clear.
యా. సో while the bird is growing as a flower, so sepals open, okay, the petals open to become a flower. Okay, అంటే ఆ మొగ్గ ఏమైతుంది, కొంచెం కొంచెంగా పెరిగి ఫ్లవర్ గా మారుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఇనిషియల్లీ ఏ ఫ్లవర్ అపియర్స్ యాజ్ ఎ బర్డ్, అంటే ఫ్లవర్ కాకముందు ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఫ్లవర్ బర్డ్ రూపంలో ఉంటుంది మొగ్గ, రైట్? సో ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ ద సెపల్స్ కవర్డ్ పెటల్స్. ఓకే, to protect the flower, the sepals cover the petals. Okay, as the bird grow, అంటే ఆ మొగ్గ పెరుగుతున్న కొద్ది ఏమైతుంది, గ్రో ఇన్ సైజ్, ద పెటల్స్ ఓపెన్ టు బికమ్ ఏ ఫ్లవర్. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ మొగ్గ పెద్దగా అవుతుందో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, పెటల్స్ ఓపెన్ అయ్యి ఇట్ బికమ్ ఏ ఫ్లవర్, అంటే ఫ్లవర్ గా మారుతుంది. ఇది క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Screen is shaking.
I think there is a network issue with you. No problem. See here. Observe the video, children. Okay, na? Observe the video clearly. See, the initially a flower appears as a bird. The petals are closely packed together, surrounded by sepals. A bird, the grow in size. The petals open and it become a flower. Right? And flowers are the reproductive organs of a plant. Flowers are the reproductive organs of a plant. అంటే మనకు ఒక కొత్త మొక్క కావాలంటే దానికి ఏం కావాలి, ఫ్లవర్స్ కావాలి. ఓకేనా? ఫ్లవర్స్ ఆర్ ద reproductive organs of the plant. Why it is reproductive organ? Okay, so the flower develop into a fruit. Okay, after the flower develop into a fruit. Fruit contain seeds, right? For example, take a pomegranate. First, the pomegranate plant has orange colored flowers, right? Orange colored flowers. Then the flowers turns into fruit. The flower turns into fruit, pomegranate fruit. So the fruit contain seeds in it. The fruit contain seeds in it. From that seeds, if we sapling the seeds, we get a new plant from that, right? If we sapling the seeds, if we get a new plant from that seeds, right? So that's why flowers are the reproductive organs. అంటే కొత్త మొక్క రావడానికి ఏ పార్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఫ్లవర్స్. సో ఫ్లవర్స్ ఆర్ ద reproductive organs of the plant, because the flower develop into fruit and fruit contains seeds, and when we sapling a seeds, we get new plant. Okay, grow from the seeds. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you very much. See here. See, flowers are the reproductive. See here, if you observe the video, the flower turns into, wait. The flower turn into, see, this is a pea plant. Pea ante batani plant. Okay, na? Batani plant. So the flower turn into peas. The flower turn into peas. And pea has seeds in it, right? It is a pea, right? So pea has seeds in it. So when we sapling the seeds, it turns into a new plant, right? It turns into new plant. Like, so that is why flowers are the reproductive organs of the plant. Flowers are the reproductive plants. So depending on the when their flowers bloom, plants may be annuals, biennials or perennials. అంటే ఎప్పుడు ఫ్లవర్స్ మొలకెత్తుతాయో, ఎప్పుడైతే ఫ్లవర్స్ పూస్తాయో దాన్ని బట్టి ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ 3 types. ఓకే, డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ వెన్ దేర్ ఫ్లవర్స్ బ్లూమ్, Plants are maybe annual, biennial or perennial. అంటే 3 types గా డివైడ్ చేశారు. What are those? Annuals, biennials and perennials. Perennials. So what are annuals? Okay. Which plants it is? So which flowers are these?
Sunflower and marigold. Sunflower
Very,
and marigold.
very good students. So sunflower and marigold. So plants like sunflower and marigolds are annuals plants. Annual plants ante enduku? They live for only one season. They live for only one season and their flowers also bloom only once in a season. అంటే సీజన్ అంటే ఇట్ మే బి 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. ఓకే, ద ప్లాంట్స్ లివ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ సీజన్, ఆ తర్వాత చనిపోతాయి. ఓకేనా, ద ప్లాంట్స్ మే డై. ఓకే, ద ప్లాంట్స్ మే లివ్ ఓన్లీ 1 year అండ్ ద ఫ్లవర్స్, ద ప్లాంట్స్ బ్లూమ్ ఓన్లీ వన్స్ ఇన్ ఏ సీజన్. అంటే ఒకటేసారి పూస్తాయి పూలు. ఓకేనా, సో దట్స్ వై దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ annuals. ఓకే, ప్లాంట్స్ లైక్ sunflower and marigold are annual plants. Why they are annual plants? Because they live for only one season. They live only for one season. అంటే ఒకటే సీజన్ బతుకుతాయి. And their flowers also bloom only once in a season. అంటే ఒకటేసారి పూలు పూస్తాయి. ఓకేనా, once in a season. So these type of plants are called annuals. So what are the examples of annual plants? Annual plants, sunflower and marigold. ఓకే, ఏ ప్లాంట్స్ అయితే ఒకటే సీజన్ బతుకుతాయో, ఓకేనా, ఒకటే సీజన్ బతుకుతాయో వాటిని ఏమంటారు? యాన్యువల్స్. అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ బ్లూమ్ ఫ్లవర్స్ వన్స్ ఇన్ ఏ సీజన్. ఒకటేసారి పూస్తాయి పూలు. ఓకేనా, సో దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాన్యువల్స్. ఎస్, డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్? Children, is it clear?
Can I show the fiber roots?
Wait, please wait. Okay, do you have any doubts? No.
No,
right?
sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Sunflower and marigold are annuals, and they live only once in a season, and their flowers also bloom once in a season, right? So biennials. Biennial ante, so biennial plants like forgot me not or Canterbury. So these are the flowers. Plant is called forgot me not. Forget me not. అంటే మర్చిపోకు. Forget me not. Forget me not. And Canterbury bells. So these are the flowers. Lives for 2 years. Okay, these plants lives 2 years. Okay, they only produce flowers and seeds in the second year and then die. So first year it will grow very well. The plant grow well. In second year, it will produce flowers and seeds. Okay. And after second year, it may die. Okay. So the plants which live only 2 years, the plants which live only 2 years, those plants are called biennials. Biennial. And second year, the plants produce flowers and seeds in the second year. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? మొత్తం పెరుగుతుంది ప్లాంట్ మంచిగా. సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఇట్ విల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఫ్లవర్స్ అండ్ సీడ్స్. ఓకే, ఇట్ విల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఫ్లవర్స్ అండ్ సీడ్స్. సో దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ బిennials. ఓకే, బిennials. So the plants which live 2 years, those plants are called biennials, and it will produce flowers and seeds in second year. Then it will die. అంటే తర్వాత చనిపోతుంది, 2 సంవత్సరాల కంటే ఎక్కువ బతుకదు. ఓకేనా, సో దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ బిennial. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ బిennials? ఓకే, ఫర్గాట్ మీ నాట్, Canterbury. నెక్స్ట్ perennials. Perennials అంటే the plants which live more than 2 seasons or more than 2 years. Perennial plants like daisies and bushes, peony bushes, live for more than 2 years and bloom every year. Okay, bloom every year. So these type of plants are called perennial. Rose flower, okay, rose and hibiscus, these are the flowers live more than 2 years, right? These are the plants live more than 2 years. So these type of plants are called perennials. It blooms every year. The flower blooms every year. So these type of plants are called Perennials. Perennial.
Perennial.
Right. So the plants which live only 1 year, the plants which live only one season, those plants are called annuals. The plants which live only one season or 1 year, those plants are called annuals. And the plants which live 2 years, the plants which live 2 years, and the plants produce seeds and flowers in the second year, then die. Those plants are called biennials. And perennials means the plants which live more than 2 years. Plants which live more than 2 years and it will bloom. The plants bloom every year. Those type of plants are called perennials. So what are the examples of perennials? Hibiscus, rose, and neem tree, mango tree, guava tree. These all are undergoes to perennials. Okay, right. See here, we eat flowers like broccoli and cauliflower. These are the flowers which we eat as a vegetable. Broccoli. The first picture is broccoli. So it is.
Sir, your voice is stuck in. Sir, your voice is stuck in.
Okay, okay. Please wait. Yeah. So the flowers, what are the uses of flowers? So we eat flowers like broccoli and cauliflower as a food, as a vegetables, right? So mostly we eat cauliflower here, but in some other areas, broccoli. Broccoli is a flower. So which broccoli and cauliflower we eat as a food item. Okay, we eat as a food item. Next, flowers are used for decoration in marriages, parties, and in our homes. Okay, flowers are used for decoration in marriages, parties, and in our homes. Okay, do we decorate or not in festival times or marriages or parties times? Yes. We decorate our home with flowers. Right? We decorate our home with flowers. See here. Flowers are used for decoration in marriages, parties, and in our home. So women wear flowers on their hair. Women wear flowers on their hair. మీ మదర్స్ వేసుకుంటారు కదా ఫ్లవర్స్. సో విమెన్ వేర్ ఫ్లవర్స్ on, right? Different types of flowers, right? Rose flower, jasmine, and the petals of the flower. What are petals? What are petals? Petals.
Sir, it will be down of the flower that called petals, in green colors.
Yeah, that is sepal, Nana. Sepal, SEPEL.
Flower.
So the colorful parts, the colorful parts are called petals. Parts of the flower are called petals. Children, please mute yourself. The colorful part of a flower are called petal. Take an example, rose. Rose flower, which in color? Mostly red or pink in color, right? So the red and pink in color parts, the red and pink color parts are called petals. The red or pink color parts are called petals. So example of jasmine. Jasmine is in white in color, right? So the white colored parts of jasmine flower are called petals. So the petals of the flower, okay, use it to make perfume. అంటే తెలుసా scent. Scents అంటే తెలుసా మీకు scent?
Yes, sir.
So the petals of a flower like jasmine, rose, to make perfumes and oils. So with the help of these petals, see, pink color and white color petals, use it to make perfume,
Sunflower.
oils. Okay, perfumes and oils. So the petals of the flower like jasmine and rose, use it to make perfumes and oils. And gulkand. Gulkand అంటే తెలుసా చాలా మందికి తెలియదు gulkand అంటే. So it is made by rose petals. It is made by rose petals. Gulkand that people eat pan in dried rose petals and sugar. అంటే రోజ్ తెలుసు కదా, ఆ రోజ్ పెటల్స్ ని, పింక్ కలర్ పార్ట్స్ ని ఎండబెట్టేస్తారు. ఓకేనా? ఎండబెట్టిన తర్వాత వాటిని షుగర్ తోటి కలిపేస్తారు. పెటల్స్, రోజ్ ఫ్లవర్ పెటల్స్ అండ్ మిక్స్ టుగెదర్ దే ప్రిపేర్ గుల్కన్. ఎందుకు పాడతారు గుల్కంద్ ని? పాన్ తెలుసా? స్వీట్ పాన్ మనం అప్పుడప్పుడు తింటాం కదా
Yes,
స్వీట్.
sir.
సో ఆ పాన్ లో యూజ్ చేస్తారు అన్నట్టు గుల్కన్. అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ we can eat it. It is for healthy. Okay, it will be healthy when we eat. Not pan, gulkan. Okay, so gulkan that people eat in pan is dried, dried ante ఎండిపోయిన rose petals. Okay, dried rose petal and sugar. It is made by dried rose petals and sugar, gulkan. Okay, right. We make a floral designs on pots, clothes, walls and many other things. మనం వేస్తాం కదా ఫ్లవర్ డిజైన్స్ ఇన్ మెనీ థింగ్స్, రైట్? సో ఇట్ మే బి బెడ్ షీట్, స్టోన్స్, వాల్స్, రైట్? సో వి మేక్
Sorry.
ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్స్ ఆన్ పాట్స్, క్లోత్స్. ఎస్ నానా?
On pillow.
యా, అండ్ పిల్లో. సో వి మేక్ డిఫరెంట్
Sir, on door.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. On special occasion, on special occasion and festivals, we decorate the floor of our house with floral patterns called rangoli. Okay, so on special occasion like Sankranti, Shivaratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, right? Dasara. So we made different types of rangolis with flowers, right? We made different types of rangolis with flower and flower petals, right? See how will it look like? It's nice, right? Is it good or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good.
Very good. So on special occasion, yes.
Not. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I think there is a net issue with you. Okay, please mute yourself. Right. And honey. How many of you like to eat honey?
Sir, I like to eat honey.
Very good. So honey is made from nectar. So nectar ante endi? Nectar is a sweet substance which present in the flower. Nectar is a sweet substance which present in the flower. So what does honeybees do? Honeybees, see, flowers attract the honeybees. So honeybees suck the nectar from the flower. Ante flower lo ఉన్న ఆ sweet substance ని పీల్చుకుంటాయి. Then the honeybee go to beehive and it will store that nectar in the beehive. So after few days, అంటే కొన్ని రోజులకి ఏమైపోతుంది? The nectar turns into honey in the beehive. Okay, so the honeybee is made from the nectar sucked by the bees from flower. So enti honeybees suck the nectar from the flower and it will store the nectar in the beehive. After few days, the nectar turns into honey in a beehive. Ante what are the main concept here? Flowers are used to make honey. Okay, see here, the honeybee suck the nectar from the flower and then it will store in the beehive. Then we'll get honey from the beehive. And flowers are also used for worshipping or offer in a temple. అంటే పూజ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు కదా. ఫ్లవర్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ వర్షిపింగ్, పూజ చేయడానికి, పూజించడానికి. అండ్ ఆఫర్డ్ ఇన్ ద టెంపుల్స్, టెంపుల్స్ లో కూడా తీసుకుంటారు. ఎస్, టు డూ పూజ. ఓకే, రైట్? Flowers are used to do puja. And see here, how beautiful are the flowers, right? What is it? What is it?
Flower.
Well,
Sunflower.
yeah. So who is he? Who is he?
January.
Yeah. Okay.
January.
Our cell.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Seller.
Children, please mute yourself. So a person who sells cut flowers is called florist. Okay, a person who sells cut flowers is called florist. So he is a florist because he is selling flowers, right? So a person who sells cut flowers are called florist. Okay, a person who sells cut flowers is called a florist. So he is an expert in the art of arranging flowers and make bouquets. These are bouquets, okay? With name antam, manam bouquets antam. So he is expert arranging flowers in a different way. How arrange the bouquet is beautiful. So he is expert in that. He can arrange in a different way to look good. Okay, to make bouquets, different bouquets. So a person who sells cut flowers, he is florist. Okay, a person who sells cut flower, he is a florist, and he is an expert to arranging flowers in a different way. Okay, and making bouquets. So these are the bouquets, right? Right. So the flowers, a person who sells cut flower, he is called florist. So he is a florist. Okay, he is a florist. Okay. So people who lives in forest. Okay, don't you know some of the people live in forest, right? Some of the people live
Yes, sir.
in forest. So people who live in forest, those people are called Adivasis. Okay, Adivasis. The people who lives in forest. The people who lives in forest, they are called Adivasis. Okay, the people who lives in forest, they are called tribals or Adivasis. They are also called tribal people. Tribal or Adivasis. So forest provide them with food, water, and materials for everyday living and a home. అంటే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఫుడ్ దొరుకుతుంది, సో దే విల్ కలెక్ట్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రూట్స్, వెజిటేబుల్స్, ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫారెస్ట్. ఓకే, సో ఫారెస్ట్ ప్రొవైడ్ దెమ్ food, water, and other materials. Okay, so they will prepare different types of baskets, right? So they will get different types of woods and material, and they will prepare baskets, and they will sell that in market, right? Fair. So this is how they will live. Okay, the people are who lives in the forest are called tribals and Adivasis. Yeah, so nowadays also some of the people lives in forest. Okay, those are called tribal people. Okay, forest. So how do they get food? So forest. So in forest there are many trees, right? So in that fruit trees, vegetable trees are also there. So they will collect the fruits and vegetables, and they will eat that. Okay, and they will survive with that. Okay, so the people who lives in the forest are called tribals and Adivasis. Okay, so they get food, water, and materials from the forest, and they will get some shelters, right? They will get shelter also. Yes, see here. Tribal people eat wild fruits, nuts, roots, and stems. So these are the different types of fruits, nuts, roots, and stems. They eat to survive that. Okay, they eat to survive that. Mahua is an important tree for them. This is a mahua tree. Okay, what is the name of this tree? Mahua.
Mahua.
So mahua is an important tree. They eat its flowers and uses its leaves to make drink and other things. Okay, they eat its flowers. అంటే ఈ యొక్క పువ్వులను ఏమి తింటారు వాళ్ళు, అండ్ యూజెస్ ఇట్స్ లీవ్స్ టు మేక్ ఏ డ్రింక్ అండ్ అదర్ థింగ్స్. అంటే వాటి ఆ లీవ్స్ తోటి ఏం చేస్తారు? ఇస్తరాకులు తెలుసా? పటల్స్ అంటాం మనం, పటల్స్, ఇస్తరాకులు, విస్తరాకులు, రైట్? So they make different types of things with that leaves. Okay, they make different types of things with that leaves. So mahua tree is an important tree for them. Okay, mahua tree is an important tree for them. See here, mahua is an important tree for them, and they eat flowers and use its leaves to make drink and other things. And then they will make different things with the leaves. See here, unfortunately, the man is destroying the forest by cutting them and to clear land for construction and agriculture. సో ఏమవుతుంది? రోజు రోజు జనాభా పెరిగిపోతుంది, అవునా కాదా? డైలీ డే బై డే ద పాపులేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్, రైట్? రోజు చాలా మంది పుడుతున్నారు, జనాభా అనేది పెరిగిపోతుంది. సో అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ వాట్ we need some place to live, right? And we need to produce fruit for them. unfortunately man is destroying the forest by cutting them. రోజు రోజు ఏమవుతుంది, కట్ చేస్తున్నాడు ప్లాంట్, ఇంకొకటి నాటుతున్నాడా, నాటుతలేడు, కొత్త మొక్క నాటుతలేడు. సో అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ ద మ్యాన్ ఈస్ డెస్ట్రాయింగ్ ద ఫారెస్ట్ by cutting them. So this is called deforestation. Okay, cutting the new plant without planting new one. Cutting plants without planting new one is called deforestation. Okay, why the people cutting, destroying the forest to construct new building for agriculture land? Okay, సో ఇలా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, సో థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రైబల్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ హోమ్లెస్. సో ఫారెస్ట్ అన్నిటిని నరుక్కుంటూ పోతే ఏమైపోతుంది, ద పీపుల్ హూ లివ్స్ ఇన్ ఫారెస్ట్, సో ట్రైబల్ పీపుల్ రైట్, సో దే మే హోమ్లెస్. ఓకేనా, వాళ్ళకి ఇల్లు ఉంటుందా, ఫారెస్టే వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు కదా, సో దే మే హోమ్లెస్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద లెసన్?
Yes, sir. You understand, sir?
Shall I ask some?
Sir, we understand.
Yeah. So one by one
Yes, sir.
questions. Okay.
Sir, ask the questions.
Yeah. Please wait. Yeah. So first question to Tanmay Darshan. The dash system of plant grow above the ground, and the dash system of the plant grow below the ground. Which system grow above the ground? Which system grow below the ground? There are two systems, right? We discussed at the starting point, right? The dash system of plant grow above the soil. The dash system of the plant grow below the soil. Tanmay, do you know or not?
Sir, can I tell Sahiti?
No. Tanmay Darshan, if you are not able to say, please communicate in chat box. Okay. Next. Okay. Sahiti, what are the answers here?
The shoot and root.
Very good. So the shoot system of a plant grow above the soil. We already discussed, right? The part of the plant which grow above the soil. The part of the plant which grow above the soil is called shoot system. So shoot system include fruit, leaves, branches, bird, right? So the part of the plant which grow above the soil is called shoot system. And next, Saiti, next answer. Dash system grow below the ground. Root, right? So the root system grows below the ground. Thank you. Next, Avinash Gaud. The banyan tree has dash roots. The banyan tree has, wait. Avinash Gaud, the banyan tree has dash roots. Which roots does banyan tree has? Because the banyan tree has very big, right? So the roots grow from its heavy branches to give support to the branch, right? So these type of roots are called, the banyan tree has dash roots. Avinash Gaud. Karthik.
Sir,
Who is Rohit? Yeah. Which roots are called? The banyan tree has which roots? The banyan tree has dash roots. Which roots? Okay. Next, Niharika.
mango roots.
Huh? No,
Mango roots.
not mangroves. Okay.
Sir,
Wait. Pravalika. Okay. Pranay. The banyan tree has dash roots.
Ariel.
Very good. The banyan tree has aerial roots. We already discussed, right? So banyan tree is very big. So to provide support, the roots grow from its heavy branches. The roots grow from its heavy branches. So those roots are called aerial roots. Okay? Aerial roots. the roots which grow from its heavy branches. So the banyan tree has aerial roots. Okay. And dash are the plants that live more than 2 years. Dash are the plants that live more than 2 years. Shivateja. Okay, I think he did not there. Niharika. Dash are plants that lives more than 2 years. We already discussed, right? Dash are the plants that lives more than 2 years. Okay, Nanda Kishore. Dash are the plants which live more than 2 years.
Sir, can I try? Sir, pan, sir,
Yes, Nanda.
parne. Sir, I'm telling spelling PEREN.
Okay, perennials. Okay, perennials.
Perennials.
Perennials are the plants that live more than 2 years, right? And who take care? Yeah. The dash and dash take care of trees growing along the roadside. Dash and dash take care of trees growing along the roadside. Manogna. Manogna?
Combination.
Okay. Another one?
Municipal.
So that is municipal. Okay. The municipal corporation take care the trees growing along the roadside. And dash mangroves are the plants that grow in marshy areas. Marshy areas అంటే we'll discuss, right? బురద నేలలు అని చెప్పాం, right? So marshy areas. The mangroves grow in marshy areas. Okay. Okay, children. So we are running out of time. So children, I will give chance in the next class. Okay. Next class is a reading session. So I will give chance to everyone and I will ask some questions. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye everyone.
Sir.
I think
Bye,
network
sir.
issue.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.